Today we had an interesting discussion about the Third Network and the arrival of Life Cycle Services Orchestration and what that means for the enterprise. I had the opportunity to speak with some leading experts on the topic. What impact will Life Cycle Services Orchestration have on the enterprise?
I think Life Cycle Services Orchestration will bring about a whole new suite of on-demand, agile, orchestrated services to the enterprise. And they'll be consumable through a common set of APIs and available across multiple service providers.
Life Cycle Service Orchestration will have the impact on the enterprise of giving them control and an ability to change how they really consume networks, particularly if you look at the case on cloud applications and buying connectivity to the cloud in the same way they buy computing and data storage.
I don't think we know yet, and I think we're still in the stage where we're sorting that out between service providers and enterprises. It certainly offers the promise of more agile services and orchestrated services. Exactly what those are, I think we're in the stage where we're asking the questions of what can you do, well, what do you want? And it will take some time before we sort out the answer to that question.
Initially, I don't think Life Cycle Services Orchestration will mean new services for enterprises. I think they're going to really consume the same services they buy today, but in a faster, more agile environment, which will ultimately affect the efficiency of their business.
Are enterprises looking for more managed and secure cloud services from their service providers?
I think enterprises are looking to put more services in the cloud, but it will be based on business decisions. And I think security is a hot topic that needs to be debated more in the industry.
Enterprises are really looking to service providers to give them more secure services in reaching whether it's other enterprise locations, applications, data centers. Turning to a service provider to manage their network really allows the enterprises to focus on what they know how to do and how to empower their employees. It's really a partnership, and the security and the ability to manage and see transparently into those services is key.
Absolutely, enterprises are interested in managed services and both cloud services. They look to focus on what they're doing best and have realized that there is an opportunity to rely on their service providers for both managed services, managed network services, and also cloud services. They're of course very interested in the security and the reliability of those services, which are paramount attributes to anything they might consider purchasing.
Enterprises are absolutely looking for more managed services when it comes to networks and security both, because both of those things have become so complex that customers really can't handle it themselves. They need to focus on their own core competencies. And the great thing about LSO is it's coming at a time that affords customers the ability to take on those core competencies and not have to focus on the complex things like managed services and security.
We heard some interesting thoughts about the Third Network and Life Cycle Services Orchestration. It's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out.